the hearing was at 10:30.
No worries. Well, it almost is. It's 10:25. Let's go ahead and get started.
In cause number 2022 DCV 3049, Aurora and Gilbert Alba versus Allstate Texas Lloyd's. Announcement of council, please.
This is Eric Quiros from Pennebaker Law Firm on behalf of plaintiffs.
Sebastian Nunez here on behalf of Allstate.
And we're scheduled today for, I believe, defendant's motion to sever and probably abatement. Let me get there. Mr. Nunez.
That's correct, Judge. This is one case that we had for, I guess it was set for the exact same hearing about a month ago. These are just motions that we file on our behalf, Judge, but I believe we had spoken to plaintiff's counsel, maybe somebody, unless Mr. Quiros can correct me if I'm wrong, maybe Sean or Ali Martinez from my office had spoken to somebody from his office with regards to this motion. Essentially, it's filed on our behalf, for our protection, for all states, just because there's a time limit within it needs to be filed. However, it's not a motion that we're looking to proceed on at the moment.
So are you withdrawing the motion, or are you still putting it up for the court's consideration?
Well, I mean, it's neither, Judge. I think we get these motions filed. Like, as I mentioned, we only have about, I think it's like 30 days to file these motions when we do get the case. So it's something that we do, routinely on our HMO cases, Judge. So it's if the court would allow us to keep the motion on file in case it is needed, and in case we're not able to work this case out, and then have a hearing at that point if we even do get there.
Mr. Quiros?
I'm fine with them passing the hearing, Your Honor.
Okay. Was said twice. I mean, we don't set things, Mr. Nunez, unless you all ask for it. So I got to think you all were asking for this to be heard.
I'm going to be honest with you, Judge, and then I'll check in with somebody from my office. However, we, at least myself or Mr. White, have not asked any of our paralegals to, set this for a hearing, but I'll make sure that it's not set anymore, Judge.
Let me look. Okay, well, if Mr. Quiros is okay with it, I am. However, where's my scheduling order? We had a scheduling status conference on February 1st, and then there's no settings. Did you all do a scheduling order?
Let me check my file, Judge. Give me 1 second.
I want to say if you filed this motion and we got a hearing on it, maybe that's why there was no scheduling order. I'm showing a hearing on February 1st.
I do not believe we'd submitted a scheduling order yet, Your Honor, and I apologize for that. We'll get one on order or on file. Did
you all come in on the 1st? I'm thinking I was out that day. I'm trying to think who was here. Oh, it was Judge Spiesny, wasn't it?
Yes.
It was Judge Spiesny. So I'll give you all 1 week to return the scheduling order, okay? What did you all already have a date? Mr. Quiros, do you know?
I do not know, Your Honor. I've actually been out of town for a while. I do not.
Okay.
Well, we'll get one prepared ASAP, Judge, and get it filed.
Well, I'm going to give you a date. I'm going to give you January 26th of 2024, and then you go based on that, okay?
Sounds great.
Pick your mediator, all of those good things. So please return it within the week.